Hello guys, we are with our tugboat. I made some changes. Now has a captain. Mr. Kung Fu Panda is there, and we're going to test. I put more ballast, so this is getting really heavy. I will put in the water and see what happens. Wish me luck.
Wish you luck.
Yeah, definitely sails better with ballast. It has almost 300 grams inside, maybe 400 grams with the butter. Really stays into the water. It's all made of balsa, so it's a very light type boat. Let's see if it turns. Yeah, it turns very sharp. Now let's try the back. Not so easy to maneuver. Definitely not easy to maneuver. I need to... Oh, here it comes. The dragon boat. Maybe I have to bring it back. Let's catch the waves. Not big waves from the dragon boat. Almost nothing. Okay, let's follow. When I get there, he's faster than me. Yeah, he's faster than me. Okay, maybe not. Just be Okay, so now from the south of Taiwan, Lotus Pond, we wish you the best. Remember to subscribe to our channel and like your videos so we can keep doing this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye.
Bye bye.